our last Christmas in this house.
Merry Christmas!
This is what I'm storing my food in. Today is the 5th of December and currently 1:30, quite late. Anyway, I want to step out to do some errands, but first stop is Magunas to do some grocery restocking. Then later we're gonna head out to town because I need to get some tips and fix these nails. Quite worn out, but they're the best for errands, so they will be due for a replacement. So this is everything that I got from Maguna's supermarket. Let's start from here. So I got this tiara tissues for 300 shillings for a pack, and let me tell you, that is value for your money because you know how tissues are expensive, and this one is very soft and very white. So I went with 2 packs just because I have ran out of tissue. They also have Vaseline on offer. This was going for 350 shillings, and it does come with this oil infused glow serum. Guys, have you tried the Onja margarine? Oh, I discovered this at my aunt's place, and honestly I love it. I haven't stopped buying it. I also got some recyclable containers, storage containers for when I'm storing food in my refrigerator. I have said 2026 I won't be using those ice cream containers anymore because that is what I currently have in my fridge. Let me show you guys. So yeah, believe it or not, this is what we currently have as storage containers, and this one for margarine as well. Yeah, so I have said 2026 we are not using this anymore. Ile sasa inabamba are this as well as this, that also costed me a little bit. This is a set of 4, and then these ones are single. So yeah, this is everything that I got from Magunas. I also got a few things from the market. So I got some tomatoes, I got some ginger garlic, some peas, lemons, some onions, also this type of onion, and then green pepper, some carrots, courgettes, some eggs. I also got some chicken here, some beef, and this is mince. So yeah. after such a long day of running errands where I had to carry a heavy box plus other goods. I mean, I'm exhausted. I mean, you can even see it from my eyes, but I still have my nails to do because I have some shoots that I want to do tomorrow, one for work and the other one for my YouTube channel, and I need my nails done. So sit with me as we do my nails.
When the stars fall out the sky, I try to catch them. When the past makes my heart will recollect them. Every droplet of your time has my attention. Any worry on your mind, I can deflect them. Baby, tell me your dreams will manifest it. If you wanna run away, I will protect ya. If your head is in the ground and you wanna get out, we can go into the clouds. I've been struck by Cupid's arrows. The drums inside my heart beating fast.
It's currently 2 a.m. That's when I'm finishing doing my nails. Anyway, they turned out so great. Look at that. Yeah. This is the work of my hands. By now, you guys should start booking an appointment to get your nails done by yours truly, but only this shape or the coffin shape and plain colors only for starters, okay? Anyway, I am also like a night owl person, so I usually stay up late, but today I am extremely exhausted. So let me head out to bed and I will catch up with you guys tomorrow. Today is the 8th of December. I just finished shooting some content for my YouTube channel that should be going up before this one. And I was thinking to myself if I should put up the Christmas tree because this is going to be our last Christmas in this house. My sister and I have been living together for a long time and we are all grown up and we just feel like, it's time we each live alone. And honestly, this house has been a blessing. It was like an answered prayer because for a long time I had always wanted to stay in a big apartment and this house gave me just that. Like the living room is huge. The kitchen is also very huge. Have you seen those kitchen cabinets? Have you seen the space in the living room, the lighting, the bedroom? Honestly, I have enjoyed creating content in this house and I'm just praying that my next house is also going to be this spacious and beautiful. Anyway, let's put up the Christmas tree for the last time in this house, okay? But I know you're a fool for her, I do. When she came into your life, you walked right out of mine. When will the stars align? I wanna fly to Jupiter with you. But I know you're a fool for her, I do. When she came into your life, you walked right out of mine. When will the stars align? I'm playing back the clips from the beginning, searching for the footage that I'm missing. I try to find a cue to kill the distance. I try to pass the holes I wasn't feeling. Even when I held you from the start, I couldn't make up for the spell she had on you. We were crumbling over bridges and I had no clue that she was the reason that I couldn't see it. But I'm so stuck to you, I still let you choose. Cause I thought you really meant it when you said you feel this too. Clouds. Speaking about moving out, I have been buying a few things here and there for my new place, and one of the things that I really needed was a fridge. We do have one that we are currently sharing with my sister. However, I needed one for myself. And I did not know the price of fridges were this high, especially the non-frost fridges. Oh my god. Even with the Black Friday deals, those prices were still high. But I really needed a non-frost. So a girl had to break her bank and get one. So I did a big girl purchase and got one for myself, which is here. Even Coco is sitting on it and having some fun. Coco, hi. What are you doing on top of my fridge? Eh? Anyway guys, let's unbox this together. Right out of mine. Will the stars align? love this fridge. I love the gray on the outside and how spacious the inside looks like. Just look at this. Good morning, guys. It's the 25th of December. It's Christmas Day. I'm excited even though I didn't have much sleep. There's a club that has recently opened here close to Safari Park and it's very noisy. Also, my curtains are not blackout curtains, so when the sun is out, honestly, I cannot continue sleeping. Like, I just have to be awake because it brings so much light in my room, which I love, but not like in the morning when I'm sleeping. Anyway, it's Christmas Day and today I am hosting my aunt and some of the kids, and my sister is also around. And yeah, as I told you guys, I wasn't able to sleep much because I could also hear them as early as 7 a.m. They were already awake. So yeah, I need to wake up as well and go and assist in making breakfast. I think my sister and my aunt have already started, so I need to go and assist them to make breakfast and then later lunch, and we're just gonna be chilling indoors. But here is to me wishing you guys Merry Christmas and a lovely day ahead. May you guys have a blast, and yeah, stay tuned to see what I have going on in the kitchen. Yes. Yeah, I'm awake. Mwambie nimeamka. Mwambie nakaa. Yeah. That's my sister. She wants me to go and assist in the kitchen, so yeah, it's gonna be a busy day, just cooking and eating. Anyway, bye guys.
I beg. Window chef na ndio ni record. Kuna tunakaje.
Cabbage ni ya nini asubuhi? Si asubuhi. Nalo prepare lunch already.
The day is still young.
Yo. Hi Alice. Merry Christmas. Makosa gani tena? Imedu?
Zimeshikana zikukinua zinapasuka.
Oh no, okay. Let me see where I can assist.
Na mituba zako zilikuwa kwa breakfast.
Sina mtalaka, kwanza mapema.
Vitu niko nafika kwa pesa.
Christmas watu wana relax.
Lazima kwanza.
As early as 7, nishasikia watu
Lazima
wame.
kwanza.
Yeah. You know what? They can also be cooked like that.
Zitaingia mafuta. Kuna ungo ulitengeneza. Zezi bandi, zezi weka sisi. Zezi kwa bakita. Na hiyo unga pia. Unataka kutumia sichanganye. Zile zilikuwa chini. Hizo ni chini.
See, when you're cooking, you just separate them.
Yeah. I've done that.
Yeah.
Christmas carols down the street, snowflakes on the graceful trees, underneath the mistletoe. My teardrops melt the snow. Baby, won't you please come home? Been too long, you've gotta know. So much joy that we'll have. Gonna share the gift of love.
Merry Christmas.
Will you be here on Christmas Eve? Here on Christmas Day, with no one else I'd rather be. Give me warm
mbaya.
Here on Christmas Day, with no one else, I'd rather be. Keep me warm this holiday. Bells are ringing, joyful chimes. Everyone's living festive times, but I sing all alone. Our house is not a home. Counting days and counting weeks till we're dancing cheek to cheek. Simply have a ball, swaying at the Christmas hall. Will you be here on Christmas Eve? Here on Christmas Day, where's the no one else I'd rather be? Keep me warm this holiday. Will you be here on Christmas Eve? Here on Christmas Day, with no one else I'd rather be. Keep me warm this holiday. Grab the first flight, be with me tonight. Ride on Santa's sleigh, be with me today. Grab the first flight, be with me tonight. Ride on Santa's sleigh, be with me today.
Merry Christmas!
We'll be here on Christmas Eve.
Merry Christmas. Hope you guys
Here
have enjoyed
on
this vlog.
Christmas
Till
Day,
this far. See you
with
on the next one.